Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas Sir Stenography. Passage number 120 Monthly Magazine 80 शब्द per minutes. Be ready? Start. Sir, the country has been facing a major agrarian crisis for the past 1 year. There are various reasons for this. The first and the foremost reason is the inadequate and unrealistic fixation of MSP for almost all the crops. Apart from that, there are other things like sluggish procurement by FCI, non-availability of crop insurance schemes to the farmers, and failure to provide input subsidies to the farmers affected due to natural calamities. Sir, the farmers stood to lose, be it cyclone, be it drought, or be it hailstorm. The farmers are affected even during the bumper crop period. This is largely due to insufficient MSP and improper collection of grains by the government agencies. If you take the figures of last 10 years, last year was the year where the lowest MSP was given to the farmers. It did not even cover 20% of the annual inflation. A lot has been spoken about the Swaminathan Committee report, where it has been recommended that input plus 50% cost should be fixed as MSP for the farmers. During the current year, even the minimum MSP, which was declared is of no use to the farmer because the FCI and other government agencies failed to procure whatever grains have been produced by the farmers. If you take the case of Andhra Pradesh, out of 81 lakh tons of rice produced last year, only 17.2 lakh tons of rice were procured by the government agencies. A year before, more than 37 lakh tons of grains were procured by the government agencies. Due to this sluggish procurement system, farmers had to sell their produce at distress sale of rupees 200 below the MSP. This is the case not only with Kharif, even during the Rabi season there is not much of procurement being done. If the procurement is given to the states, it is going to be disaster unless the center involves in the procurement. Justice is not going to be done to the farmers. If you take the delta region of Andhra Pradesh, the east and west Godavari districts, only rupees 780 is being given for 75 kilogram of rice. There is nobody to rescue them. Agriculture is not a matter of food security alone, but it is a source of our livelihood also. For example, in USA, 0.7% of the workforce produces around 354 million tons of food grains, but in our country 49% of our population is dependent on agriculture for their livelihood and produce only 259 million tons of food grains. This is the last year's figure. This gives us an food grains. Full stop. 450 words, 80 words per minute.